English Activities Project 1, Week 1. Topic: Origin of the Universe and the Planets. Exercise 1. Find the meaning in the dictionary of the following words: tiny, matter, system, Milky Way, galaxy, dust, mantle, spin, crust, particle. Exercise 2. Read the text and circle the correct title of the text and write it. You have three options: A. Origin of the species. B. Origin of the universe and the planet. C. Origin of the moon. Please circle the correct title, and after you have to write the title in this space. Exercise 3. Read the text again and find the past verbs and write it in the table above, then write sentences. Leemos el texto nuevamente y va a encontrar verbos en pasado del texto del ejercicio 2. Va a encontrar los verbos en pasado y va a escribir las oraciones en las que se encuentra el verbo. Example, started. Aquí está la oración en la que se encuentra el verbo. Exercise 4. Answer the following questions. How long ago the origin of the universe started? How is called the galaxy we live in? How was our planet formed? How old is our planet approximately? What say the core acron theory? Respondemos estas preguntas con el texto del ejercicio 2. Recordemos que how significa cómo, how long, cuánto tiempo, how old, cuántos años. Eso es todo las actividades de esta semana. Thank you. Bye.